Mm. Oh, it's so adorable. Awesome. I'm so glad he's eating. Look at him. He's so snuggy. You're trying. There you go. Okay. As you. Oh, sorry. He was you.
You're out there on the chase and evade. Good. Let's talk now. Man to man. You know what this building is? A prison. What was that back there? I know, Captain. It wasn't your mistake detaining him. So tell me what's going on. I'm well aware of what it cost you to leave your old order and to follow Jesus. That level.
What do you intend to do with Jesus of Nazareth?
Look, he's gonna. Come in, Pauly.
I don't observe this holiday. I am maintaining my side of this arrangement, Caiaphas. I've made plans to make an example of a zealot. Now tell me what you're doing to maintain yours.
Zealot, how wonderful. That should be well received on both sides because
Look, he just wants to get in your neck. What's the matter? Look, see? It doesn't hurt.
I know.
Look, he gets his face right in the.
No, but then whenever he knows he's tickling you, like he doesn't want it.
Suppose I have not seen enough.
Oh, my baby boy.
most likely.
Hopefully,
I love you so much, you are my heart joy. And I look in your face.
destroys his captors, leads us to victory over Rome.
Oh, I love you so much. Yeah.
Then I'll be celebrating with the rest of
You are my love. You're so beautiful. Oh, I love you so much. You're my heart joy. Oh.